In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Ghibli-style art image in Canva step by step. If you love those soft, dreamy landscapes, painterly textures, and magical Studio Ghibli vibes, you can actually recreate a similar aesthetic using Canva's built-in AI tools, and it only takes a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you get the best prompt tips for more accurate results. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva and AI design tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Here you can choose your canvas size. If you're creating a social media post, you can select Instagram post. If you want a wallpaper, choose a custom size. For this example, I'll just select a standard square design so we can clearly see the artwork. Now that your blank canvas is open, go to the left-hand panel and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, scroll or search for Text to Image. In Canva, this feature is also called Magic Media. Click on Text to Image to open the AI image generator. This is where the magic happens. In the prompt box, you'll need to describe the image you want in detail. The more specific you are, the better the result. For a Ghibli-inspired look, you can use a prompt like Ghibli-style illustration of a peaceful countryside with soft lighting, painterly textures, pastel colors, whimsical atmosphere, highly detailed, anime-inspired background. You can adjust the subject depending on what you want, maybe a small village, a floating castle, a girl walking through a flower field, or a magical forest spirit. Below the prompt box, you may see style or aspect ratio options depending on your Canva version. Choose the aspect ratio that matches your canvas, then click Generate. Within a few seconds, Canva will generate multiple image options based on your prompt. Take a moment to review them carefully. Some might have better lighting, stronger colors, or more detailed backgrounds. If you don't like any of the results, you can slightly tweak your prompt by adding words like cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, soft shadows, hand-painted, or warm sunset glow, and then click Generate again. Once you see an image you like, simply click on it. It will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, you can resize it to fit your design. Drag the corners to expand it across the full page if you want a complete background image. Now you can enhance your design even further. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation using the Edit panel. You can also add light grain, blur effects, or overlays to give it an even more dreamy, animated feel. If you're creating a thumbnail or poster, you can add text on top using soft, rounded fonts that match the Ghibli aesthetic. And that's it. That's how you create a Ghibli-style art image directly inside Canva using the Text-to-Image feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva guides. I post simple and practical tutorials to help you create better designs using AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.